Hi, my name is Sohhum S. I go to Foothill High School and I'm a rising sophomore. This is my third eye for blind people. It's essentially a walking stick without the stick part, or like a rear sensor for a car, but without the car. Um, so yeah, this is my final milestone, and it involves everything, the whole shebang. You have the wires, which are combined together with electrical tape. You have the case, which is 3D modeled on Fusion 360, and then duct tape to increase durability. Then you have a perk board, which holds the Arduino, the switch, the buzzer, LED, motor, and then you have the sensor, which is the brains of the whole thing. So essentially how it works is, as you get closer, the beeping or the buzzing goes faster and faster, and then once you're at the place, it stops. As you get further, it slows down, and this mode is the buzzer mode. This is you're slightly less annoying in society, and it's also if you're deaf as well as blind, so if you're basically modern Helen Keller, then you can use this, and this will help you feel. But if you are not deaf, you have a slight option. You have another option, which is buzzer, which beeps. It makes sounds so you can hear. It's a lot louder, so you know what you're doing. You can see how as you get farther, it slows down. As you get closer, it speeds up, and then you can switch between them with this switch. So yeah, and then this is all connected to a rechargeable power bank, which is very cool. If you want to stop, you can just unplug it. If you want to keep going, just plug it right back into the Arduino, and then it'll power the whole system. So I really enjoyed modeling the whole design process overall, because that was very enjoyable, if I say so myself. Yeah, so it was very fun because I've never tried it. It's a good skill to have for the future, and if I do need to model something in the future, now I know how to do it. And yeah, it was very tough though, given that I had not tried it before, because there's a lot of new tools and everything that I needed to learn about, so I could create something like this, or this, or this. Yeah, so it was a bit of a process, but in the end, the final result makes me feel like it was worth it. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. In the future, with the modifications, I would really like to increase the range, or change up how the sensor affects like the LED, the buzzer, and the motor for other things like archery, so blind people can shoot bows, which does not sound like a very good idea, given that they cannot see where they're shooting, but this will help. So that's something I like to try in the future, and yeah, so this is my project.